Hey guys, welcome to our channel RV44. Today we're going to talk about the 2020 Reflection 312 BHTS.
And oh my God, this is a beautiful trailer. Don't get confused, it's not a fifth wheel.
And just like our title says, it's out of this world. If you can see the floor plan, to me, it makes a lot of sense to be a bunkhouse trailer.
Here you have the specs. Take your time. Remember, you can always pause the video.
We're gonna start with the propane tank on the front. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I'm not a fan of the propane tank being covered by just plastic, but it's, for what I've seen, they're very protective there. You also got the space for the lithium batteries. I believe you can probably store it too there.
Yeah.
Set it up.
I think that there's two 30-gallon propane tanks in the front, so that's pretty cool. I love the fact that this has so much storage under the cab.
The underbelly cab is also laminated with I believe it's a fake wood, but it's pretty nice.
Kind of vinyl, yeah.
And also have a plastic vinyl there just in case you leak with something.
I mean, I would probably, if I wish that these undermount storage will come out with some kind of a tray, just like the truck of the truck where you can pull out that tray.
Yeah.
Because sometimes it's so hard to get into those corners, into those middle spaces. But
another thing I'm not a fan of, I probably would change it if I get something like this, is the ladder, the stairs. I like those solid ones that touch the ground.
For more ride, yeah, that would be an upgrade. So this has an Arctic insulation for 4 seasons, and thinking about going full time, this is something that we probably would love to have, you know, so that we're not freezing in the winter.
And something that is amazing too, you see the price. That was the RV show at Tampa. That was the pricing on it. I'm sure if you go to the dealer, you know, kind of talk to the salesman yourself, visit them, I'm sure they give you different pricing and different deals.
Yes, and we've heard a lot of good things about Grand Design, which is probably why we are so in love with this specific trailer.
If you also see the color, I mean, I love the color. I like lighter color like that for those hot weather. Now we're going to move to the outside kitchen. Let me tell you something.
God. Yes.
I am a cook. I'm a certified cook. I love cooking.
We're a fan.
And that kitchen, yes, this kitchen just makes a lot of sense for me. You have the sink there. You have the 2-burner gas, what do you say, a range or
yeah, propane range. And then the propane connects is right underneath. So if you want to add another grill, which, you know, probably would be something that we would do on the side table, is something that you can have.
This is one of those things that we love also, is because we love the outdoors. And like I said, the fact that it have a sink, you have a refrigerator there for those quick stop that you do when you go on those long trips, and you don't even want to bother to go in there.
I love the cabinets because, again, even though this is an outside kitchen, there's so much. I mean, we're just thinking of when we are, you know, traveling and you need to grab something quick to eat. You can just put those in those cabinets, and the fact that it has a sink underneath, and you know, it drains right from the bottom.
And then we have and then we have the that's the prep, I should say. It's not, well, it's prep for the backup camera. I believe it's Furion.
We're gonna go now to the back, and again, this is one of the things that we are so loving about this RV. The under storage, you know, I love that it has a liner, just so that if it gets wet, you know, there's hoses that go through the floor.
Now we have the outside shower there, and all the because I had a lot of question there is when you see all the connection and how you switch off and on the water.
Yeah.
You have the city water connection there, so everything is on one side. That's what I love about this.
I love that they make it so easy, and for us as being RV newbies, the fact that they have that diagram there is really cool.
We have the inside now, which is my wife's favorite part. So
oh man,
take it away.
And don't let this fool you. It is a travel trailer, and I think it's 37 feet long.
37 and change, yes.
Yeah, but it is so beautiful inside. You know, here we have the dinette, and I'm not a fan of the plaid. I love to wear it, but I don't like to see it on furniture. But I love the fact that the couch, the back, you can change it around so that it is solid color.
And the dinette, adding to that also, it turned into a bed. You have the sofa. I love the fact that it's just lighter colors inside. I mean, you got those dark, what do you say, like espresso or dark chocolate cabinet, but still it feels very roomy.
Right, feels very warm. I love it. You know, that bench over there or that nook, there's so many uses for that. And again, there's so much storage in here, and you're gonna see it as we go around the trailer inside. There's tons of storage.
And this is my kid's favorite part. This is the bunkhouse. Oh my. This is a master bedroom size on the RV, but it's a bunkhouse.
It is a bunkhouse, and it's a bunk room, and there's so many options. The sofa is it's a pull-out sofa. You have option for them. I would probably maybe in the future just change it out for maybe something that the kids can, maybe put a little table for them, because we're going to be full-time and they're going to need somewhere to do their homework and things. But
they have a lot of space. You can see there is the connection for the TV. Mm-hmm. You got the power outlet there for the cable. Like we told my kids, they have tablets too. Those ladders, what is cool about it is you can use it as shelves for putting maybe underwear for them or maybe t-shirts, and they can also climb there. I'm a little worried about because, my kid's a little clumsy sometimes, but I think they survive.
Yeah, I think there's many adaptations that we can do, but Natalia definitely loves to be up there.
Our beautiful daughter Natalia there.
I love the fact that there's, again, there's options for hanging your clothes, for storing, and then for bins. It's just, I think, one of the best bunk rooms that I've seen so far. One
thing I noticed about this beautiful grand design reflection is the island in the middle. A lot of these travel trailers, remember this is a 37-foot.
Yeah.
And I believe that the fact that they have the island make it look big, but I just love the convenience of having an island in the middle.
And again, this is our preference. We are a family of 4. We're looking to go full time, so we don't want to lose that essential, feeling of being in a home, But this offers that and much more. I mean, look at this fridge.
I call it the limousine fridge.
I think this fridge probably has more cubic feet right now than our own home, our fridge, our home. I mean, it's beautiful.
And the fact that they have the wooden panel outside, the look of it, it's kind of like the sky set. Yeah, it's kind of blend in. And it's, look for yourself. The space is amazing. The freezer is beautiful.
I'll probably put one side of meat and the other side of just, other bags or fruits.
And we got another take a look of the island there, the sink. Everything look very modern. I would prefer the window though on the outside to be frameless windows. But I think I don't have much complaint about this travel trailer.
No.
I think it's perfect.
Yeah, it is beautiful. And even under the island, you still have more storage, which is like if you don't find much, place, how much more can you store? This is a travel trailer.
We're looking at the sofa right quick. I think they do massages. They
heat.
They heat and they recline, right?
Yes, they do. Yep. And we're now going inside into the bathroom. And again, I keep forgetting that this is a travel trailer, and it's just mind-blowing. The space, the shower, the storage, there's, everywhere that they could put a cabinet or somewhere to store things, I think Grand Design did it.
They hit it out of the park in this one. Going back to the same color cabinet out there, transfer to the bathroom. A lot of space in there. I believe I did a toilet test. I don't have a picture with it, but I'm 5'11", for those who knows, and it was pretty spacious in there.
Yeah.
And now we're moving where the magic happens.
Whoa.
I think this bedroom is amazing.
I love, again, that it has cabinets all throughout. There's tons of storage. You have kind of his and hers closet on either side. And if that wasn't enough, you also have space over your the headboard.
Yeah, and a lot of these RV, and I'm sure this is the same, you lift the bed and they have a whole section there for shoes and stuff.
And then you have also the other closet, which is prepped for a washer and dryer.
Yes, and the fact that they have mirrors both sides, honestly, mirrors work at like an optical illusion when they kind of like make the space look bigger.
So guys, this is our review. Again, we're not salespeople. This is our journey from our home to an RV. So we hope that you guys love the video, love the trailer.
Please don't forget to subscribe, like this button, share, and hit the bell. That's the only way you guys will know when we get new videos. We'll try to give you guys new videos every week.
And don't forget to live the journey,
guys.